Good afternoon, guys. It's Sunday pre-market. Just want to make this quick video to show you where I think the market is going. It's a bit of a on the fence moment, really, because it's at some certain levels. I'm expecting seasonally for the dollar to be bearish, but with all this coronavirus, etc., making all uncertainty going on in the markets, it can play against you sometimes. So it's a good reason why I like to get Monday and Tuesday out of the way. Because although people think they know where the market's going, the best way to trade is still to trade what you see in the markets and not what you think. And various levels and places you want to see the market go will determine which way I'm going to trade. So I was going to show you what I think on the dollar. I think it's going to retrace a little bit. The Oz index as well confirms that it could be a bearish market as well on the Aussie dollar, which I'll go through in a minute. But looking at the US dollar index, we've already dropped all the way down into this bearish order block. It's down at this level here. I'm either going to expect it to drop below this level here, Monday and Tuesday, and I'm expecting it to rally up into this area here, taking out the stops here, coming into the 4-hour EMAs, and then dropping back down to take out the stops of here, but also that it look like it's got relatively equal lows. Whether that's going to happen next week or the following week, I don't know. I need to see what happens Monday and Tuesday, but I'm expecting Monday and Tuesday to spike out this low and then retrace up into this area here. Take out the stops and then to come back down, take out these relatively equal lows, and then finally through this order block and take out this low here. I think as soon as it comes and takes out this low, I want to see the market then come up and take out this high back into this area here, because it does need to come back up here to fill in this void. So again, I've got to see what happens on Monday and Tuesday to see what it determines which way it's going to go for next week. If I do see a drop first Monday and Tuesday, I'm expecting the rest of the week to be more bullish into this area, then the following week a drop back down into these levels here, possibly down into this level. But again, if I do see it rally up quite early in the week, Monday and Tuesday up in this area, I expect Monday or Tuesday to have the high of the week on the dollar, and then drop off this week down into these levels. Again, if it drops off low in Monday and Tuesday this week, then I feel that it's going to be more of a bullish market moving into Wednesday and Thursday. But again, I'll let Monday and Tuesday play out, and I'll update you all on Tuesday evening how that's going to play out. So what do I expect on foreign currency? Start off at the Aussie dollar. As I mentioned, it took out these highs which I expected last week. What you can see is a big rally already happened during last week. Some sort of retracement is inevitable. So what do I think is going to happen? If it's going to be a bearish week, I expect, let's get some of this off so it don't confuse you. Don't need these no more. There are some stops above this small swing high here. So I'm expecting Monday and Tuesday to come up, meander around and back down in to this order block here, possibly spiking this low out here before making another swing up into this area here. Again, Monday and Tuesday I want to see the high. If this is going to happen, then on the Wednesday, Thursday I'm seeing a drop back down into this area, possibly taking out these lows and into this order block here. So that's if the week is bearish from Wednesday. If it's bullish straight away and spikes up quickly on Monday and then gives you a fast retracement Monday and Tuesday, then I'm expecting it to rally all the way through these order blocks here to take out these lows. It's not what I'm expecting. I'm expecting a more of a quieter retracement throughout the week, Wednesday and Thursday. Once I see what Monday and Tuesdays come into the market, then I'll have a better idea with the 50% retracement level, whether this is the best target to go for or down this area here. But again, with the dollar, I'm on the fence at the moment. I've got a couple of possibilities, and I will play the market as I see it. But these are the levels you want to be watching. So if it takes out the stops quickly, I'm expecting it to have a reaction off this level here. If not, it's going to come straight through. And at 50 on the 50% level of Monday and Tuesday, if it's below it on Wednesday, I'm expecting it to drop even further down here. If it's above it on Wednesday and Thursday, then I'm expecting this to happen. But these levels here are critical. How that's going to play out. Euro USD. On the 4-hour chart, it's starting to cross 20, starting to cross the 50 EMA. They could get a reaction off this level here, but my concern here on the US dollar, if it's going to be a bullish market, which could happen on the US dollar, then we have this to get, got this order block here, which is already in. Confluences with the dollar, if it's bullish, I'm expecting it to come all the way down through here, back up to 50% retracement level Monday. So that's Monday and Tuesday's range here. I expect it to come down, finish in the bottom 50%, and come and take out these relatively equal lows next week. If the dollar does turn around and becomes bearish on Wednesday after Tuesday's analysis, then I'm expecting this to happen on Euro USD. Let's get rid of these. I'm expecting an initial drop Monday into these order blocks here. Only if this happens straight away Monday, then you see like a W pattern Monday, Tuesday, with Tuesday low of the week. And I'm expecting another leg up to finally take out these equal highs. So what I'd be looking for here is the range of Monday and Tuesday. If it's in the upper 50% of Monday and Tuesday, I'm looking for retracement like this, and then carrying on up to take out these highs. I do initially think it's going to come up first and then rest of the week bearish down into here, but I've got a feeling this could happen as well. Again, Monday and Tuesday is very critical on how I'm going to play this analysis out. It's already in this big order block and at the top of this one here as well. So I could expect it to come down to this level before going back up, and this could take all week. So again, on Tuesday evening, I will update you on this. Again, as I said, on the US dollar, I'm on the fence, so it could go either way. So Monday and Tuesday is critical on me getting that range, and whether it's in the upper 50 or lower 50% of the range. So just recap on that. If it's going to be bearish for the week, I'm expecting it to come up Monday, Tuesday, make a type of M pattern, then retrace back down into this level, and then down to this level toward the end of the week. So yeah, if it's going to be bullish, I'm expecting to drop Monday and Tuesday with a W pattern, and then rally back up into this area here. Tuesdays, I will update again on this pair. USD Swiss franc. We are now coming into this big order block area. The dollar index is telling me that it's going to be bullish for the week initially because at the levels it's at. So Monday, Tuesday, I'm expecting to take out this low before doing a little W pattern. Monday, Tuesday, a low of the week, and then straight up into this area here. If that scenario happens, I'm looking for a small retracement in the upper 50% level on Wednesday, with a retracement back into either an hourly or 4-hour order block, which ain't happened yet obviously, then back up into this area here. If the dollar turns and becomes bearish straight away, which I don't expect, but if it does, I'm expecting it to retrace up here Monday, Tuesday. Again, do some sort of M pattern like you would see on the Be the Market Maker. And then come down rest of the week to take out these lows. If it's going to be like Monday, Tuesday's range, I'm expecting it to be around here on Wednesday, come up into the 50% range, and then catch the sell-off Wednesday and Thursday and Friday next week. Again, keep going on about it. Monday and Tuesday is really important on how I see that range forms and what happens Wednesday, first thing on Asia Wednesday morning. Again, I'll update on Tuesday evening regarding that. USD CAD. I just don't know what's happening with this pair. The signs are saying it's still going down. If it does come down, let's get rid of this one. Looking for a small retracement. And a big push down into this level. If it is bullish, I expect it to come down a little bit, check out these lows and this one. A little a W pattern and come up to take out these highs here back into this order block. I'll be able to confirm this scenario or this scenario on Tuesday evening, depending on how what the market shows me. But initial thoughts is I think it's going to be early week drop and then back up into this area here to take out these stops for next week's sell-off. Again, I can't tell you until I see what Monday and Tuesday has brought in the market on USD CAD. So I'll update you on Tuesday evening on that. pound USD. It's hit my target already from last week. My analysis is correct for the dollar. This is what I can see happening. Up into the order block. Probably taking out Monday's high on Tuesday. And then down into this big block here again. Get closer in. Down to this block here, taking out these lows. And then the following week, I expect it to rally once again. If it's going to be bullish and the dollar turns around and becomes bearish, and I get the signs on Monday and Tuesday's analysis, then I expect this to happen. Comes down to create a W pattern into this order block, and then Monday and Tuesday will be the low of the week, and then it'll smash through that this week. But generally, if it is bearish week and it's come down here with Monday or Tuesday high of the week, with it coming down for the low of the week between Wednesday and Thursday, then it'll consolidate, and I expect bullishness the following week. Monday and Tuesday, again, I keep saying it, is going to be the key to which scenario I'm going to be trading Wednesday and Thursday. Last of all, but not least, is the dollar yen. This didn't give me a signal last week to go sell into these areas here. Got some equal lows here, and this is one scenario I mentioned in the EMA strategy. It crossed over late in the week, so what I do expect is it to first of all sell off Monday or Tuesday. Monday and sell off. Come and take out some lows at least, so you can get some scalps in selling on Monday on this. And I expect it to come down at least, sell, check out these lows here, giving you a small W pattern, which will then go in confluence with the bullish dollar, which I'm half expecting back up into let's get rid of these. You got a big order block here. At the end of the week, I'm expecting it to come and touch this area order block here. Then the rest of the next week, a sell off. But that'll be if it's a bullish dollar week, and I'll be selling around Wednesday to get into this rally up into there. If it's going to be a bearish week, which it could do, and it sells off straight away, I'm expecting it start a week to come up into this area here. Small M pattern. And then late Tuesday, Wednesday into Thursday, I'm expecting a sell-off coming down into these lows here. So, yeah, start of the week, if it's going to be bullish dollar, which I expect, then I want to see the market sell off Monday, Tuesday, give a kind of a W pattern, then rest of the week, Wednesday buy into this zone here, into Thursday. If it is going to be a bearish week on the dollar, then I'm looking for a M pattern up into this area here for a sell-off down into this area here. Okay, it's not a great week for me to do an analysis because it's at levels which it could go either way. But the scenarios are there. Monday and Tuesday is critical in my style of trading. I don't trade Monday and Tuesday for that reason. I look at scenarios, what could happen on the R time frame, and then Monday and Tuesday's range will give me a clue to where the market is going by using the 50% range of Monday and Tuesday. If it's in the 50% lower zone, I'm looking to sell. If it's in the upper 50%, I'm looking to buy, and I'll be trading into those levels. So have a quick look at this video. It's not, as I said, set in stone yet, but I did give you scenarios what I want to see happen. If them type of scenarios do happen, then I'll be trading them on Wednesday or Thursday next week. Until Tuesday, I will keep you updated with charts and how I see it's going, and I'll do another video Tuesday. Thank you.